Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to put the back seats down in second generation Acura MDX, and this should work for cars that were made in 2010 to 2013. This is a 2012. So it's really simple. All you'll do is find these levers right here and you pull down. You'll pull down and then push. And then to do the same thing, you'll pull down on this lever until it releases, and then you push. You'll have this whole back seat for a stow and go. Another nifty trick is if you see this little lever here, if you push, you have this little handle, pull up and you've got some storage. So we've got jumper cables, first aid kit, umbrellas, etc. To close it, all you do is push down until you hear it click. One other nifty thing we have here is we have two, one right there and one right here, and these are car seat tethers. So all you do is push down at the very bottom. It'll open up and you can slide, and right here you can see is the tether. Hopefully that helps. To put the seats back up, you just do the same thing. You just grab the lever and pull up, and they should click into place. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs, and hopefully you subscribe.